have to walk like, oh my fucking gosh, this is the graphics is. Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India official. Yes buddy. Huh? Yes buddy. Yes, as guys you can see the update is been came out. I was not talking on it because the last update I was very upset of that Apres, but it was also very helpful. And but it finally came out today, and since this update is like awesome guys, I will tell you in brief. First of all, the buddy update is nothing. It will be like you are adding your buddy or your Pokemon besides you while walking, and as you will walk, the kilometers of your Pokemon will be also increasing. Means even that Pokemon also is walking with you. So that means there are, like, if you will walk, the Pokemon will walk, they will give you the candy. Here is some pics you can check out. Yes guys, like which Pokemon will walk and how much kilometers they want to walk, and they will give you one single candy. So I just started with Pikachu guys. Yes, I need a Raichu for sure, and for Ash also he just having a Pikachu. So even I started with the Pikachu. You can see over here how you can add a buddy Pokemon with you. It's very easy. You can just go over here like on your icon and just click on it, and here you can see it's like saying you buddy. So it's like 0.8 out of 1 kilometers. So for Pikachu it's like just walking 1 kilometer with it, so you will get one candy with it. Walk with your buddy. Yes. So, and this is a symbol, you can see two arrows from which you can just replace the Pokemon, but it will like remove your stats of that Pikachu. Means candy from that. You walk a 1 kilometer and you get a candy from that. Then you just remove your Pokemon. Otherwise, if you like on 0.8 now, means it's on 0.8, and if I will remove now my Pikachu, that whole 0.8 will be gone. So then again you have to start from the beginning. So please wait until you just get a candy. After that you can remove your Pokemon and add another one which you want. So this is how the buddy system works. So it's actually given you because people are using a lot of hacks like GPS snooping and many more. So please guys, stop using that hacks, because in India, like, people where the Pokestops and gyms are not there, people are just going with it guys. Please stop it. At least there will be like one single person who will stop after watching my video guys, because of that things they are not releasing in India guys. They are not releasing in India just because of hacks and everything guys. So please stop it and play like sincerely. It's now very easy to get all the Pokemons. Like which Pokemon you want, you can just add into your buddy and you can just walk around. If there is no Pokestop gym, then you can just walk around, you will get the candies. So it's very useful update given by the Niantic company. Thanks for it. So this is how, like, now it's 0.8 and this is my Pikachu. So I just need to walk more 200 meters to get one egg from the Pikachu guys. So this is how the buddy system all has been like came, and Niantic was working from quite a while on this system, and I really want to see that how we can get the candies from it. Like, even I don't know, it's my first walk with my buddy, so even I want to see that guys. And guys, yes, I am going to do the gym video. As I said you in the previous video, I will be going to do the gym video in the next video, because this update came, so I just concentrate on this update. So after this video there will be surely a gym video guys. So guys, I don't know why, due to some reason my game has been crashed, and I got one Pikachu candy. It was like written over there, you got one Pikachu candy. So now let's change my buddy Pokemon and let's put some huge Pokemon behind me, and we can see then what we can get over here. Let's put a Gyarados behind me guys, And so how you have to put is like go to your like buddy and then replace it. Yes, and put a Gyarados, guys. Here it is, guys. Now Gyarados is your now buddy. You have to walk like, oh my fucking god, this is the graphics is so incredible, guys. It's so wow. Like you have to walk like 1 kilometer for your Gyarados to get an extra candy from your Gyarados, guys. So let's change another one Pokemon and let's put now some flying type. I need to see every Pokemon behind me. So let's put a flying type. Let's put this Pidgeot behind me, guys. Oh fuck. Oh gosh, this is awesome, guys. This is really awesome, guys. And how much you walk for the Pidgeot? That's 1 kilometer. So let's see this. If any another Pokemon is like there for more than 1 kilometer, you have to walk for it. And oh shit, guys, just check this out. For Lapras candy, for one Lapras candy, you have to walk like 5 kilometers. This is like very hard thing to walk around. And just check out the Lapras behind me. It is like he will hit me, she will hit me, he will, no, she, I don't know. But just check that. So I don't need everyone, like I just need so you can find this symbol over here, like it's saying buddy behind me. It's like giving you a symbol which means a buddy behind you. And so I need a now Pikachu candy for sure. So I will keep the Pikachu behind me, and let me show you like how much candy I need for Pikachu. So it's like 29, so I need more 21 candies. So let's put this Pikachu behind me so that I can easily get a Raichu. So this is very nice update because guys are playing Pokemon Go and they are using hack, guys. So this is the update. I will be like doing one more video on this update for sure, but it will be after my gym battle video. So guys, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and just get the link from the description to get this update and download it, guys. And that's it for today's videos. And guys, please like the video and subscribe, guys. You guys just watch the video and you don't like and subscribe it. Please guys, click that red button over there so you can just subscribe me. It just give me an increase that how much I should do, like how I should do the video in the future. So please guys, subscribe, like and comment down below. That's it, guys, for today's video. And go out, get your buddy besides you and just walk around and get the candies, guys. That's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and peace.